Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. The warmer months are the perfect time to get your lawn looking its best, but in some situations your lawn just doesn't seem to react to the fertilising and the watering, and you have patchy areas that seem dry no matter what you do. In some cases, the issue can be hydrophobic soils. Hydrophobic soils repel water and the water runs off or simply pools and doesn't absorb. It is most common in sandy soil types, but it can affect all soil types, especially if they lack water and become compacted. If there's been a dry spell and the lawn has not been watered and you notice it looking a touch lackluster, check to see if your soil is water repellent. You can do this by pouring some water onto a few areas. If it doesn't soak in quickly, the soil may have become hydrophobic. Hydrophobic soils are caused by the decomposition of organic material, forming a waxy substance which coats the soil particles. After long periods of dry weather, the soil can become dehydrated, which exposes a hydrophobic surface, making it difficult for water to penetrate. Instead of wasting more water, you need to fix the problem, and you can do this by giving the ground a quick aerate, followed by an application of a wetting agent. Wetting agents are like a detergent or surfactant that attract water to the soil surface, helping it to soak in and improve infiltration. This reduces water runoff, encourages deeper roots, which helps to make your lawn more drought tolerant. Wetting agents come in liquid or granular form and are sometimes mixed into lawn foods and top dressing mixes. Common wetting agents include Wetter Soil, Hydromax, Viagra and ezi-wet. For new lawn installation, especially with sandy soils, mixing through some organics and a wetting agent before laying the lawn will be of great benefit. Using a starter fertiliser like Lawn Launcher that contains moisture magnets is a must for most new lawns. For existing lawns that are hydrophobic, there are 3 easy steps you can take to fix them. The first one is to aerate the soil. Aerating allows air, water and nutrients down into the soil profile. The second is to apply a wetting agent. Wetting agents are best applied during the warmer months to help your lawn through the dry period. The third is to top dress. Top dressing with an organic or compost material will help your lawn to hold moisture. This is particularly important on sandy soils. Saving water is so important during drought conditions, so if you feel your lawn isn't performing as it should, take some positive action to reduce your water use and make your lawn more drought resistant. For more helpful lawn care tips and advice, visit the Lawn Solutions Australia website, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia, and we hope to catch you next time.